racing just is started. Magic Carpet Ride moving up highway 1 in the middle portion. Pangalucian Island is on the outside. Tango, Echo Kate, then comes Isla de Romero getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Jade's Treasure. Magic Carpet Ride now takes command by about half length. Highway 1 in second. Pangalucian Island is racing in third. And in fourth comes Ingrid's Joy, Tango, Echo Kate, Isla de Romero. While Jade's Treasure is racing in lengths back to the leader. Now we have Highway 1. Now takes command by about half length. Magic Carpet Ride is running by the rail. Then moving up now on the outside is Pangalucian Island. Ingrid's Joy running by the rail now is Jade's Treasure. And on the outside is Isla de Romero, while Tango, Echo Kate, now racing in less, and Diana entering the home stretch with Highway 1. And on the outside, Pangalucian Island, Magic Carpet Ride as they swing for home. Highway 1 by a link and a half. And in second is Pangalucian Island. Last 100 meters with Highway 1 over Pangalucian Island. And finally, Highway 1. Pangalucian Island, then comes Magic Carpet Ride, Ingrid's Joy.
Alright, at talagang pinatunayan niya lang na kapatid niya si Skyway.
Oo, partner. Ang laki kabayo, nakita mo naman.
Alright, crossing the wire first, ridden by Jomel Lazaro, masisigunding 3A Pangalucian Island, then Uno Magic Carpet Ride. Only the second choice.